How to add business location on Instagram. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Instagram app and click on your profile icon at the bottom right to get to your profile page. From here, click on the 3-bar line at the top right. Let's scroll down and we go tap on account type and tools under your insights and tools section. Okay, so this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. At the top, let's tap on switch to professional account and click on next at the bottom. Select your category and click on switch again at the bottom. And we are going to select the business. From here, click on next. And this is then where you can actually enter your business location. And you can enter your street address, add the city and the zip code. And you can then click on done at the bottom and click on next again. I'm just gonna click on skip and exit out of this. And if that did not work on showing your business location on your Instagram profile, there would be another way. Now, if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. To do that, we are going to click on edit profile from your profile page, and we are going to go to the link section, click on add link, and this is then where you can link your business location, such as using Google Maps. So for example, this one, I'm going to click on share and click on copy right here at the bottom left. And you should then have your business location link copied. This is where you can copy it. And for example, title it shop location, click on done at the top right. And that is how you can basically add business location on Instagram.